Walplast Welfare Foundation empowers underprivileged girls nationwide through education and opportunity. We break down barriers to learning by ensuring access to targeted educational and sports initiatives. Our goal is to help every child learn, grow, and get inspired. This is Janvi, a bright and hardworking young girl. She is in class 8. In addition to studying and participating in sports, she also loves cooking. Originally from Gaya, Bihar, her family moved to Mumbai in search of better opportunities. Her father is a domestic help and her mother manages the household and the 4 children.
My name is Janvi and I am studying standard 8A. I want to be a cardiologist, which is a type of a doctor who is a heart surgeon. I live with my family, my mom and dad and brother and sister. My mom and dad do hard work to provide me good studies. And last, I want to thank Nanhi project partners and Walplast Welfare Foundation to helping me in completing my dreams. Thank you so much.
Despite financial challenges, Janvi remains focused on her education and dreams of a brighter future with the support of Nanhi. Walplast Welfare Foundation is proud to help girls rise, lead and inspire. Together, we are changing lives and shaping brighter future.